Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's meditation and Mandala creation will awaken your inner fire, your Manipura energy, the center of action, motivation and willpower. As I begin painting this mandala, let the golden patterns before you remind you of the strength that lives inside your very core. This is your time to reconnect with your drive, your focus, and your radiant light. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale softly. Let your body relax into stillness. Bring your awareness to the area just above your navel, your solar plexus chakra. Now visualize a bright golden flame glowing there. It flickers softly at first, gentle and calm. With each breath, you feed it oxygen. With each exhale, you let it expand, warmer, stronger, and more alive. The flame represents your inner fire, the source of confidence, courage, and focus. It doesn't burn chaotically, it glows steadily like the heart of a candle flame, which is centered and wise. As I place the first dots on this mandala, imagine these golden flames moving in rhythm with each dot, one spark at a time, awakening your strength from within. Breathe in light, breathe out hesitation. Breathe in energy, breathe out exhaustion. Now imagine yourself standing in front of a majestic golden fire at dawn. The flames reach upward toward the rising sun, merging light with light. This is your life force, the energy that moves you, that inspires you, and propels you towards your dreams. You reach your hands out to the warmth of this fire. It doesn't burn, it energizes. It fills your palms, your chest, your heart. The warmth spreads through your belly, rising into your chest and radiating out to your entire body. You can feel this warmth in your spine, a steady pulse, a rhythm of life itself. It whispers to you, you are capable, you are powerful, and you are enough. As you watch the mandala unfold, see each dot as a spark of determination. Each one strengthens your will, and each one reminds you that your dreams are within reach. You are not waiting for permission to shine. You are already shining. The fire in your belly is the divine spark of creation. It's the same energy that powers stars, that moves ocean, that gives birth to art and possibility. Now imagine this golden fire expanding throughout your whole being. It fills your chest, your arms, your hands, your legs, and your feet. You are glowing, radiant, and full of purpose. You are not hurried, but you are focused. You are not overbearing. You are powerful in grace. This is the essence of Manipura, power with peace, fire with focus, and energy with purpose. Let this energy awaken each and every cell in your body. Your breath becomes steady and deep. Your heartbeat becomes your mantra, strong, calm, and alive. Visualize yourself standing tall, surrounded by golden light. Your spine feels like a pillar of fire connecting heaven and earth. With every breath, you affirm, I have the power to create. I have the courage to act. I am the fire of transformation. As I continue painting, imagine each golden dot, golden swipes, radiating a small wave of empowerment into your aura. If moments of self doubt appear, just smile at them. Breathe deeply and watch them transform into sparks of light. This is your fire. It listens to your will, focus, and your choice. You are in control of your energy, your direction, and your destiny. Stay here a little longer, resting in this golden glow. Feel the warmth of your own strength spreading gently throughout your body. The warmth that spreads is not to overwhelm you, but only to empower you. You are a radiant being of light, and your fire burns steadily in perfect balance. Now, I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can repeat them mentally or aloud, and letting each one sink deeply into your being. The fire within me burns with confidence and purpose. I'm strong, focused, and unstoppable. My energy flows towards what truly matters. I act with courage, clarity, and strength. I am a beacon of light and inspiration. Take one deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel the golden warmth resting peacefully in your solar plexus, which is calm, steady, and radiant. This fire will continue to guide and energize you long after this meditation ends. Carry this light into your day, speak your truth, take bold action, and shine from your center. If this meditation ignited something inside you, share that in the comments below. Your energy might spark courage in another heart.